mission free education to the needy students, especially the underprivileged, and it's a need-based scholarship for the meritorious students who have lost their parents due to COVID in last 1.5 year. So the students, they apply to CT University and a platform made by the team Sonu Sood. So they check the credentials and then it comes to us and then we check and then the students get the scholarship. So if they lost their parents and he can't afford and he's got good marks and he wants to pursue his further education, so CT University gives them 100% scholarships or 50% as the need base, as I said. The one thing I would like to add here that a lot of things Dr. Hirsch, our Vice Chancellor, he has said about the university, and I'm pretty sure most of these things are done by all the good universities of this country. But there's one thing which the students, they feel secured in CT University because they're coming from across the country, especially going from Andhra and Telangana, thousands of miles up north in Punjab, that we are very accessible. The management, the vice chancellor, the chancellors, we don't have any PAs and all that. Students does not need to take any appointments. They can straight up walk in if they have any problems because they're far away from their families, from their homes. And the chancellor has given his personal mobile number at every nook and corner of the university, all the notice boards on the website, that anyone can reach the chancellor, the topmost authority of the university, anytime, 24/7, if they have any problem. So this is kind of USPs, the trust the students have on CT University. Any other question, please? So Dr. Hirsch will explain on that.
So basically, yeah, Government of India is having a criteria vital ranking. So one part is academics, number two is your teaching learning processes, number three is your research, number of paper publications with impact factor, consultancy, funding is there. Then comes your governance, then student support system. And if you fulfill all the criteria, then you will able to get that rank. So we have been ranked top 15 in India in innovations, and we almost filed 30 plus patents in the last 3 months. And university, it's a most sought after university for PhD programs, doctorate programs, and we have got more than 50 PhD scholars from Hyderabad and Telangana in different domains. So we are providing PhD program in 35 plus disciplines, and right now more than 650 PhD scholars are studying in our university across the world.
Dropped their idea of going to the Western countries because they couldn't go there physically and the online education they were doing from India. So, but now after, I don't know, depending on the third wave, if the students are allowed or wishing to go out, CT universities have tied up with Lincoln University, Mendel University, Derby University, where the students can go after 1 year education in India and 1 year in terms of MBA. So the second year they'll be doing in Lincoln University, US. So such many programs we have where the students they have a lot of options to choose from universities. And as Dr. Hirsch has said that through CT Global Education Services, that agencies got tied up with 1,000 plus universities where the students from any point of time of their education, they can go to any country, any university, depending on their qualification and their fields, and they can opt for such universities at very affordable cost as well. And one more thing I would like to add that CT Group is also running DDU GKY, so Deen Dayal Upadhyay schemes, which not lot of institutions they get. So we've got that from the government of India as well. The entire grant come from the government. The student is studying totally free of charge for diplomas and certification courses from varying from 3 to 9 months. And such programs already running from the CNC machines in hospitality, beauty, hotel management, lot of areas. So students coming from weaker sections and villages especially, they're doing such programs totally free of cost as well. Thank you.